Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on bookmarking in Chrome. Bookmarks are a quick way to find and access pages that you use frequently, or at least ones you'd like to be able to find when you need them. When you're signed into Chrome, you should automatically see the SMUSD links folder that we maintain for the district. The quickest way to bookmark a site is to go to the site that you want to save. In this case, we're just going to use the Google homepage. Up here on the right-hand side of the omnibar, you will see a small star. Click on that star and it will turn blue. That means you've now bookmarked this page. When you click the star, you'll see a couple options pop up. It allows you to change how the page name is displayed in your bookmark bar. I recommend shortening it to the least amount of characters that will still allow you to know what it is. In this case, I'm just going to type in Google. You can also create folders for those bookmarks to go into. This is a great way to keep your bookmarks organized by topic or subject or any other organizational method you choose. You can always access your bookmarks to edit, organize, add, or delete them by clicking on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and hovering over the bookmark option. You can also move your bookmarks or your bookmark folders around in the bookmark bar by simply clicking on and moving it to the location you would like it to be in. To delete a bookmark, you can either right-click on the bookmark and go to Delete, or you can go to the site, click on the blue star, and select Remove. I hope this quick tutorial will help you stay organized and better understand how bookmarks work in Chrome.